To view the rental calendar, go to the Calendar module and choose Rental Calendar. Select the rental agreement from the listing. You may also select more than one rental agreement. Then click the Submit button. By default, the calendar displays monthly view. Click on the Week button to view the weekly rental calendar and use the left and right arrow keys to toggle. Click on the calendar to view the details of the rental agreement. To view the vehicle calendar, go to the Calendar module and choose Vehicle Calendar. You will be able to view vehicle calendar based on vehicle information. Similarly, use the left and right arrow keys to toggle. Click on the vehicle number on the calendar to view the details. The vehicle details will be shown in a new tab.